Hello YouTube, and we are in vertical vlog mode. How cool is that? This is my first ever vertical vlog, and I've only just noticed that YouTube's actually allowing for that now, so you can actually see all this vertical right now. How cool. I've just been having a family holiday, and today's my last day. I'm in Blanes, Spain at the moment. It's a little tourist town. It is freaking gorgeous. Oh, well, this looks like a nice little spot. Can I please join you, please? Wow. How gorgeous is this? You wanna go for a swim? You got the GoPro, right? Cool. Summer is actually crazy. Whoa, this is pretty cool. Catalonia flag up there. For anyone that doesn't know, so Catalonia is a part of Spain that desperately doesn't want to be a part of Spain anymore. And there's a big political debate about it. Scary. This is pretty freaking cool. Ocean this side, Mediterranean. Blanes that side. Blanes.